Hi guys! I know you wanted to go home already, but here are Jan and me. So thanks a lot for coming. So this will be very short. Thanks for the cool session that ended this conference. And yeah, I think I don't have a clicker, so thanks a lot. So basically, you're amazing, you rock, you're really the best community ever. And especially this year, it felt even better than before, like every year. And yeah, can you click again? So we want to highlight a few thank yous today before we go home or before we go to the workshop dinner that takes place also in the other part of the beer garden for everyone who is strong and stays a third day tomorrow. So next to the 38 speakers who were on stage, we in total presented 26 presentations with a lot of content to you. So I hope you have some calm time tomorrow or the day after to let everything sink in and to reflect. And yeah, handing over to Jan.
Very good. I think the last 5 minutes are always about us, and I'm now standing on the other side saying thank you to everyone who contributed. And I will quickly run through those and would ask you for a big round of applause for all of these different teams, because actually more than 50 people committed a large amount of time to making our session happen yesterday and today. And the first group are our guest speakers. And we heard you in your feedback from the last conferences. You always asked for, give us more customer stories, more stories as to how others are using the tool. And so we really tried to do that this year. We had lots of fireside chat and presentations. And this is always very special because all of these people on this slide took their free time to prepare all of that for all of you. And so let's give them a big recognition. The second group is our internal, our Checkmk speakers. And here it's a bit similar. We're trying to increase the level that we can give you in terms of experience of these presentations every year. So this year, they got speaker coaching. We tried to select good pairings. So we did everything we could, and all of those really took a lot of time to find the right level of depth. Not too technical, but not superficial either. Have good slides and give you an interesting presentation. I found it great. Thank you. Now, basically, there are two sort of conceptual pieces to that presentation. One is the organization. We come to that in a second. And one is the content. And for the content, basically, we have two masterminds who sort of orchestrate all the content. One is Afrida, who I think sits over there. You met yesterday and today. And one is Martin. And so both of them spend lots of time really making sure that all of this gives a story and fits together the way it did. The third group of people, only part of you will actually meet for a long while, which is tomorrow. Those of you, I think about 140, which go to the workshops. Again, same story. We tried to provide more external faces, so 5 out of these 9 are actually not Checkmk employees. And I hope you have great workshops tomorrow for those who are here. Also, a big thank you for everyone who contributes. And the last group is our internal team. So I ask you to all come here so that please come. So that we basically can get that done. So this is basically, I said that every year. Yeah, it's a huge effort to organize this conference. Yeah, and Melina, who you've now seen and saw many years now in a row, is every year delivering this great session for us with an incredible amount of enthusiasm and energy. And she is supported by a cross-functional team from almost every department that we have, who really put this together. So let's give them a big shout out. Thank you very much. So, start with you. So this is my time to hand over flowers. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Then I start here. Thank you. So this will now take me 1 minute to do this. I will run, but I think it's important that we all look beautiful with flowers. Yeah? Thank you. Thank you, Lena. So this is, I think, so this is one, sorry. This goes with this one. Thank you. I come to the boys in a second. Alfreda. Thank you. I'm not sure basically. I'm now doing the right sequence, but you have to correct me if I was wrong. You're right, good. This is a good sign. I also start with the ladies. I'm not sure we actually have enough flowers. Thank you.
So many.
Thank you. Do we have something for the boys?
No.
Danke, Martina.
No.
Well, but with the number of people, you see how much effort this is all year long. So we're getting bigger and bigger.
So for the boys, I give presents later, but I give you all some hugs. Yeah? Thank you. Good. So, Melina, I wasn't sure, because this is always so much work, I wasn't sure whether we do a conference next year. What's the plan?
What do you want to do?
Will we do a conference next year? Yes, we will do a conference next year.
Yes, of course. Sorry, I didn't hear it.
Good.
Yeah.
And because we all have a very fixed or busy time schedule,
Yes.
when will that happen?
In May, so we're a little bit earlier, so May 11 to May 13. I asked you in the very beginning of my welcome speech to take out your devices to download that nice app. Now you can do that again, but save the date in your calendar, because we would like to see you again in Munich.
Perfect. Thanks so much. Have a great time, and see you next year.
See you next year.